Franklin fire continues to rip through Malibu, California.
And it's already burned through more than 3,000 acres. More than 700 firefighters continue battling the blaze that broke out Monday night. It's north of Pepperdine University campus. At last check, it's 0% contained right now. It has forced the Pacific Coast Highway to shut down and forced more than 18,000 people to evacuate. Peak wind gusts of nearly 50 miles per hour were recorded overnight, further fueling the fire. Strong wind is expected to continue through the afternoon. So far, no injuries have been reported. The cause of the fire is under investigation.